everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Gemini app not responding. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Slow or unstable connection can cause the error and make the app to freeze or stop responding. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a while and reopen it. This helps reset the app and fix temporary issues. Then, try starting a new chat instead of continuing with the old one, especially if the previous chat is very long. This can improve performance and response time. Restart the device to clear system level problems that may be affecting the app. Then, if you're using Gemini in a browser, clear cache and cookies from the browser settings and reload the page. If the issue continues, wait a few minutes and try again because it may be due to high server traffic. That's how you fix the Gemini not responding. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.